Do it for Denmark. That is the message from a travel company running a competition basically aimed at tackling Denmark's low birth rate, which is currently at a 27-year low.
In order to raise awareness of city holidays, Space Travel decided to tackle a greater mission.
Kan sex redde Danmarks fremtid? Danmark har et problem. Der fødes ikke nok børn til at forsørge den aldrende befolkning. Men der må være en løsning. 10% af alle danske børn er undfanget på en ferie. Og faktisk har danskerne 46% mere sex på ferier sammenlignet med hverdagen. Så vi Spis opfordrer alle danskere til at tage på en romantisk storbyferie. Og vi har lavet en lille konkurrence. Book din rejse med vores ægløsningsrabat. Fyr den af. Bevis, du har undfanget et barn, og vind 3 års forbrug af babyudstyr og en børnevenlig ferie. Men hvad nu, hvis chancerne for en undfangelse ikke er særlig høje? Jamen så se på det sådan her. Det handler ikke kun om at vinde. Det handler om at være med. Do it for Denmark.
The online film was just a foreplay. We soon followed up across multiple channels. A special ovulation discount helped customers find their most fertile holiday time. And to prove they successfully did it for Denmark, we sent contestants a pregnancy test kit. The campaign quickly gained attention across national media. Well, a lot of attention, actually. Even the politicians joined the debate. The international media seemed to enjoy it as well. And luckily, so did the people. So did it create more babies? Time will tell. But the Danes are working on it. And the encouragement was certainly there.
The happiest country in the world. Get busy. It's your patriotic duty. If you conceive on holiday.
Trying to get that ovulation discount.
Do it for Denmark, brother.